Alright, today's mission, I'm gonna get me a new battery for this car. The old battery is dead. I've taken it to AutoZone. They've tested it. This car's been sitting around for about a year, so the battery went dead. So the mission is to get the battery as cheap as possible, and the solution that I've come up with is to go to a salvage yard and possibly purchase a used battery for like 10 to 20 bucks, hopefully. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna head over to the salvage yard now and see if we can get this done. Alright, this is the place. LKQ Pick Your Part. Actually had the exact same battery that I had, and the price was 25 bucks. Took $10 off after I returned the old battery. So I'm gonna take this bad boy home, clean it up a little bit, and see if we can get this car started. Alright, we got the battery installed, the new one, 26 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and try to fire this puppy up and see, hopefully it'll take. Like I said, it's been sitting for a year, so I don't know if there's any other mechanical issues I'm not aware of. So let's see what happens. Yes, thanks for watching.